What is up, guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's one, I've got a really cool one for you all. Vehicle Legends has finally had a new update. It's been so long, but yeah guys, the owner has been trying so hard and now he's finally got the update and he's got it all together. And also guys, previously there was some map staging place, which was a separate game, and it had like the new map, but I'd rather review it in the original game. I don't know, I just prefer it. But anyways guys, we'll be checking it out, the update, and reviewing it. And yeah, so please make sure to like and subscribe with all notifications on. Please do the same for Path Plays, H King, Mr. Money 007, Gaming with S, and finally ROBLOX Gamers. So yeah, now let's get into this video. So first we're going to have a look at the new cars. Well, new car, sorry. So guys, here's the new car. It's basically an Mazda RX-7. We just put it in a bright colour so you can see it properly. That's too bright. There. Okay. Looks really nice. 681 horsepower, okay. Don't think the RX-7 has that stock in real life, but stock in the game, top speed is 198 miles per hour, and the launch seems pretty good. And yeah, also guys, I forgot to say sorry for not uploading for a few days because I've been on a small vacation with family, so I'm sure you understand. And I needed a break from all this, so yeah. But now let's review the new car, so let's get into it. Alright guys, now we're going to test the new RX-7. This is how I've customized it. I've put all the body kits on it and everything. Put a wrap on it as well, because why not. And yeah, so let's do a startup test. Same as the Supra, F1, and etc. But yeah guys, let's see the engine, if it's realistic. Okay, it has got a realistic engine. Really cool. Let's do a pop-up headlight check, see if it works. And it does. Really good. Interior check. Wow, okay. I like the Vehicle Legends logo on the steering wheel. It's pretty unique. Vehicle Legends logo on the seats. Yeah, it's really detailed. Simple but cool. Oh, we can't forget sound test. Okay, right, here's the sound guys. Let's open the hood and hear the turbo sounds. Oh, I like that, where it goes tss. I love playing around with JDM cars. They're so cool. I'm a really big fan of them, so yeah. But anyways guys, let's have a look at the new map. Let's get back in our car. Alright, so guys, as you all saw in the intro, this is the new dealership. Looks really nice. Let's quickly show you all what it looks like inside. Okay. We've got some empty platforms here, so we got Corvette or Camera, I don't know which one it is. Got the Ferrari 812 Superfast in here. But the car's not on there for some reason, that's a bit odd. Okay, that's the dealership. Simple as well, but it looks really clean. Guys, here's the new customization shop. really cool as well. And now I'm going to show you all the inside. Okay, that's really nice. It's clean as well. Okay, here's the new motorcycles and boats dealership. See what it looks like. Okay, same as the customization shop. Let's see the boats. Okay, the boats is in water. That's good. And speaking of boats, here is the remeshed Speedboat. Looks really okay. That's very big, very long. It looks as long as a canal boat, to be honest. But guys, this interior is so clean, and I love these seats, leather seats, really nice. Now for the race boat. Oh, the race boat seems pretty sporty. I like it. Okay, so we've got some black and red seats. I like the color. Then we got the fresh interior, really nice. Yep. Okay, so that's that out of the way. Now we're gonna actually have a look around the map, see what's new. Okay, that's the dealership. Okay, let's go around. Okay, so guys, we're gonna have a look around as we drive around. Drive on all the roads. Just driving around. Boring movies. Oh my lord. Okay, let's go back. We've got some more buildings here. Looks really nice. We've got some rock area. So, okay guys, I'm gonna quickly go here.
Okay.
Okay guys, here's the race area. We've got off-road race, beach dash, highway race, what else? Oh, there's the rest. We also got circuit race, drag race, around the city, and finally desert race. Okay, so all these races were in the game before, I'm guessing. If I'm wrong, just comment down below, guys. Oh wow, I really like this race area a lot. I like all the vehicle legends everywhere. Looks really cool. We've got a truck here, I don't know what it's for. Maybe delivering cars or something for to like race or anything. Or you can even just use it for RPs as well. Okay, that's the race area. Now let's head to the planes dealership. See on our icon. Let's get back on the road. Oh my god. Okay, we're gonna have to respawn it. Really? Okay. This car's acceleration is quite fast.
Bruh.
I'm really impressed. Oh, here it is, guys. So we got the airport dealership, and speaking of airplanes and airports, this is the remeshed deluxe jet or deluxo jet. Let's do it in a nice color. There we go, blue. Looks really fresh, really neat. Love it. Yeah, we got a cool little laptop here as well. We've got all the interior with the seats and everything. Now let's check the cockpit. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but this... Okay, I don't think I can get an angle. Actually, guys, I have a great idea. I forgot I had the deluxe jet. Here it is. So let's go into interior mode. So first person. Wow. Okay. That's really amazing. I like it. Got all the buttons and everything. Just how an aeroplane should be. Perfect. But yeah, guys. I think that's all we got for this update. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this one. I'll see you all in the next video. So peace. Bye guys, stay safe and have a great day. See you DST squad.